In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off location services and Windows 11 or in your Windows General. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing we need to do is to go ahead to search menu and type in settings. Now the first result, just go ahead, click on open. And now that you have done that, just go ahead to the left side. Click on Privacy and Security, and from here, just scroll down until you find Location under App Permissions, and from here, you can see that you can turn off location services from here, or you can turn it off for a specific application. Now just go ahead, turn off location services, click on Turn Off. And if you want to turn it on, just click on it again. So this was an easy and quick process video as always. Thank you for watching.